real quick video on the Baofeng UV-5R battery clip. So I ordered this as a 2-pack. This particular model, I think this and 5 other models have this style of clip. And on this one, as you can see, the clip never engaged out of the box. Come on, focus, focus. And the clip actually out of the box was broken right here. There you go. And it wouldn't engage onto the lip of the battery. So I could send both my radios back, which I had already spent a whole bunch of time programming one. I did it manually. I didn't do it with chirp. It was a learning experience for me. And then just to find out that this one was broken, and I just didn't want to send it back. So I was like, this is we got to find a way around this. Well, fortunately, this must be a common problem, because you can get just replacement battery clips. Found these on Amazon. They were not being sold by Biotech or Baofeng. It looked like kind of a different third party, but it looks like an OEM part exactly. So we're gonna try to change this one out and put it in real quick today. I haven't done this before, so we're gonna be figuring it out together. So let's take the battery out. I'm gonna start with the clip. I took my best guess here that this is going to be a 2 millimeter. No, too large. I can't believe that. Oh! It's the paint on these screws. So this was actually, this was my first guess. So it's 2 millimeter Allen. The enamel. There we go. The enamel on the screw head doesn't want to accept the wrench. Okay, I can feel this piece wanting to pop out now, so there's probably some spring tension of some sort. Yep, it's the tension of the clip. All right, so let's compare these two. Let's see how close to genuine we're getting. And before you ask, I don't feel like this is a lot of work to do on your $15 radio, right? I mean, we buy these things because of the value that they have. Although this was a cheap part that was broken right out of the factory, $8 got me 5 replacements. Pretty simple to do this, but this looks like the exact same part. So it's good to know if this happens again that it's just not, the unit's just not trashed. The spring seems pretty stiff, like it's not going to go anywhere, so that's good. Get this housing back on. There we go. Ugh. Yeah, I ain't gonna go anymore. Hear that click? Yeah. Very nice. So, for a couple bucks, you can keep your cheap radio running a little bit longer. Thanks.